Good evening, everybody. It's the evening of March 10th, 2025, and we're in our arena here feeding all the cows, and they look real excited. We just got done feeding over there with our original lot, and we're over here with these new cows in the arena. So if you remember our old squeeze chute setup, that's all still there, so you kind of have an idea where we are. And then that's our main setup over there. So the cows look real happy, and we're just doing our daily chores. You might see us again tonight. We're gonna be hauling water. We might make a video on that, just showing what we're doing today. We're gonna put one more bale in here, so just doing our daily chores. One more bale after this. Then you'll go down our alleyway there. They're feasting on the bale they have. Little they know they're about to get another one. Got our haystack right there. Gonna go get some hay. I just like coming out here while we're working and capturing all this stuff, because it makes memories you can go back to if it's just a day doing chores, or the day we were branding over here, and not branding but vaccinating everything, or I like capturing all that because it gives a good memory that you can look back to on the channel, and we can remember that because once it happens, it's stuck in the past. So that's what I like about doing this, and I just do the cameraman work and I like it. So we'll see you on the next one.